Eighth graders, this is to help you with question 5 on CR 21. It says, given that ABC is similar to ADE, what is the perimeter of ABC? All right. So the important part here is corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Means we can set up a proportion to compare them. So DE corresponds to BC. All right. I'm going to call those the base of my little to the base of my big. Okay. So if I do base of little triangle, I can compare that to the base of my big triangle. I'm going to go little to little, big to big. So if I'm putting little on top here, I got to put little on top here. So then I'll call it the leg of my little triangle to the leg of my big triangle. So here I did little to big, here I did little to big. So I'm going to do the little base, which is 3, to the big base, which is 5. I'm going to take one of the little legs, which is 4, to the big leg, which I don't know. So here I have to say 3 times what gets me to 4? 3 times what gets me to 4? You'd have to take 4 and divide by 3. 4 divide by 3. 3 goes into 4 once. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract off. So 1 1/3. 3 times 1 1/3 gets you to 4. So I have to multiply 5 by 1 1/3. Whatever you do to the numerator, you do to the denominator. So let's multiply 5 by 1 1/3. I'm going to use my calculator because I'm being lazy. So 5 times 1 1/3. All right, 6 2/3. So this is 6 2/3. That means side AC, all the way from A to C. A to C. The length of that side is 6 2/3. You can see if this little side was 4 and this little side was 4, then the length of AB also has to be 6 2/3. So now I have the 3 sides to my large triangle. I want the perimeter of ABC. So to find the perimeter of ABC, I just add up all the sides of ABC. So I take 6 2/3 plus 6 2/3 plus 5. All right, let's add these up. 6 and 6 is 12. 5 more is 17. And 2/3 and 2/3 is 4/3. So that's really 17 plus 4/3 is 1 1/3. That gives me 18 1/3. To the nearest unit, means the nearest whole number, so that's 18. So the perimeter of the outer triangle, the larger triangle, will be 18. Just make sure you set up your sides in proportion. I did little to big, little to big. You made my comparison. And then find the perimeter, add up all the sides. I hope that helps.